place you can see the stars. You want to look?
This
Here,
kid
I'll
sounds
show
like
you.
Georgette.
Yeah.
Kitty!
Oh, they got Wild Kingdom on the telescope.
Cool.
And drums
You
too?
can do magic things.
It's called Evil, kid.
Hey, he's got his high beams on.
He's got Betty Davis eyes.
Orphan Annie eyes.
Oh, great. Now we're in Gumby.
I'm gonna go walk through a book.
Ooh, it's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Ooh. Oh.
I love this. It's so spontaneous. Woo-hoo!
Oh, wow. And we're in Pee-wee's Playhouse now.
Oh, yeah. It's a Peter Gabriel video.
Yeah, somebody hit that kid in the head with a sledgehammer. That's a little thing.
Wow. Oh, this
what?
alien makes student films, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
What, did he come from planet Goofball? Did he come here in a little clown car? Criminy.
Great. Now he can remake Rudolph's Shiny New Year.
Poor rabbit.
for us.
Trumpy? Where are you?
Get me, I'm Lionel Richie.
That's not right. Trumpy!
Huh?
Hey, come back down.
Really looked like a ceiling, didn't it?